Hi guys, I'm Krina and today I'm back with 3 amazing drinks which will help you burn fat and boost your metabolism. First up is a belly fat reduction drink. For this drink, you will need apple cider vinegar, cinnamon powder, honey, and some water. So I know all of us want to lose that belly fat and apple cider vinegar is the key ingredient for this. I've been having it since over 2.5 years and it has really helped me trim down my waistline. Start off by pouring some water in the container. Add half a spoon of cinnamon powder, which will help you keep your digestive tract super clean, and it also boosts metabolism, which will help you burn your fat faster. So once the cinnamon is mixed, fill your container with water. Now you can add a spoon of apple cider vinegar to it. Now you will add some honey to make this drink yummier. So honey is known to activate your hormones that will suppress your appetite, and in that way, you won't be hungry every 5 minutes. So good. So next up is this very nice Ayurvedic Detox Tea, for which you will need some coriander seeds, some cumin seeds, fennel seeds, some carom seeds. Cumin, carom, and coriander seeds helps in digestion and boost your immunity. Whereas fennel seeds are a great appetite suppressant, which means you will eat less and you won't pig out on every meal. Now stir all these ingredients together and bring the water to boil. Now strain the tea into a cup with a strainer. Once you have this drink, your calories will burn much faster, and this will definitely help you win your weight loss game. So good. For this drink, you will need some lemons, ginger, a little bit of honey, and water. Pour a cup of water into the bowl. Now add some ginger to the bowl. Ginger has incredible digestive properties and it's really good for you. Now bring this mixture to a boil and then strain it into a glass. So now just squeeze some lemon into the drink and drizzle a little bit of honey just for taste. Wow! This drink smells and tastes delicious, and I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and are excited to incorporate these drinks in your daily routine. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!